Hey friends, welcome back to Boundless Adventures Behind Bars. I've updated my 2024 KTM 690 Enduro R with an electronic cruise control by Veridian. As you can see, I can give my right hand, throttle hand, a break. Very intuitive to use with the 3-button switch on the left, the lower one engaging. As you can see, it's holding the speed. Let me show you some of the highlights of the installation. You have to take the top of the airbox off, the ECU, lift up the battery to disconnect the terminal during the installation. There's the diagnostic plug, which gets, I use the splitter so that I have one available still to plug another item that might use that diagnostic plug. There's also a brake canceling wire that gets installed right there to that green and white wire. That's the harness that goes to the taillight. There it is with the supplied terminal tapping the purple wire from the cruise control ECU to that green and white wire, which runs to the taillight. The 3-button switch is really easy to install. It has a hinged clamp, so you don't have to remove the grips or any of the other switches. Basically, it opens up and you can clamp it on there. I opted for the longer of the two harnesses for the 3-button switch for easier installation. The top button is resume or plus roughly 2 miles an hour. The center is cancel. The lower button is for engage or reduce speed. Again, roughly 2 miles an hour. Overall, the Veridian cruise control is a big win. Easy install, and let's face it, long cruises, that right hand can get a little tiresome. This changes the game. Hope you enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you out on the trails. Be safe.